Hi everyone, welcome back to Tipsy Tuesdays. Okay, so Tipsy Tuesdays episode 2 is about saving money. So I'm going to talk about the honey extension. If you don't have it or don't know what it is, it's a Chrome extension. You can probably plug it into other things. I just use Chrome. That automatically saves you some money with coupon codes when you go to checkout. Super excited. Cheers! Okay, so I'm going to go into Google here, and then I'm just going to type in honey extension Chrome. And then right here, you'll click on this, and that you can actually like download it. It'll open up and you can download it into your Chrome. So here I already have it in, so it's asking if I want to remove from Chrome, but right there it'll say add to Chrome. So then you download that, let it run, and then the magic happens. Can I get more wine, please? Thanks. Oh, that's a big one. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is I've already added some things to my cart here. I've gone on ASOS and I'm gonna go to my cart. I've added a few items just to save time and go check out. Okay, so the checkout page has popped up, and as you see over here, the honey pop-up has just come up automatically, and it says there's coupons found. So we go apply 10 coupons, and now it's applying all these coupon codes that either people have submitted or the business itself, Honey, has like sourced out from them, and it's trying them all automatically. So this one popped up and said that's expired, oh, that doesn't exist in your country, and it's just going through and trying them all, which is super cool. Let's see. Testing. Ooh, $53. Yeah, so now it's popped up and says you've saved $53.02. So the best code, it goes with the highest amount saved, and it applies that. So continue to check out, that code's in there, and you're ready to go. Let's try another one just for fun. So again, I've added some things to my cart already. So I'm gonna go to my cart, and again, it says coupons found. So we're gonna apply 8 coupons this time. Ooh, something crazy is happening. $8, $10, $1. So this one came up with $10.78, which is pretty cool. So on things I was already gonna buy, I was already going to like spend the money, they were in my shopping cart, and then this honey extension pops up and saves you more money. But yeah, so definitely go download the honey extension. If you have anything you wanna see for next week, or you have any tips you wanna learn, just drop in the comments and make sure you subscribe. Cheers.